Oh yeah, this is gonna be so much nicer.
And then if you...
Fuck. Waar moet die wielen er onderin zitten? Oh yeah, this is gonna be so much nicer. Yes, let's do this. Oh, it needs to be way bigger. Okay, to the lathe. Okay, so the current opening measures about 63 and a little bit. And the new opening, where's my new opening to seat it properly, should be 77 and a half. So let's make it 87. So what's this again? 63, double check. To 87 is 15 increase. which means that we have to take off 7.5 because everything's doubled on the lathe, because well, you automatically take it off on both sides. So let's go. Yes, 0. Okay, short talk interruption. I got a little bit of feedback from my last video, which I really appreciate. So if you ever see me do something completely wrong, and then I don't talk about like choosing colors or whatever, but like actually using tools the wrong way, then please let me know. Just leave in the comments. The thing that I learned the last time is the color chuck that I use. Apparently I use it completely wrong. What I did was chuck put the chuck up into the holder, the ER collet holder. But apparently what you should do is put it in the collet nut first and then let it click. I don't know if I can show it properly. Let me remove here, and then if you press it, now you hear it click. And now it's seated into this nut, which prevents it from, well, as soon as you put it in the collet holder, it will straighten out and will make sure that the collet will be perpendicular. No, not perpendicular. Straight at least. No run out. So you put the tool in afterwards, then put it in the collet chuck like this and tighten your tool. I had no idea. That's the downside. I am a software developer / designer by trade. I never went to any education to do all this, welding, lathing, milling, whatever. I just copy what I see people do on YouTube, Instagram, internet, or in real life. That's very little, but anyway. So if you see me do something wrong, please let me know. Now let's get back to the business. Looking good. this the orientation? Yeah. Okay. This fits. That's good. Apart from the crappy print and this weird alignment of the both circles, apart from that, it looks good. So rain is gonna go in, be caught, I should say, in the outer rim around, and also probably in the cap, but that shouldn't matter because that's watertight. But most of it will go here and then drain from this hole. And I don't want it to just rain here, so I'm gonna add a I don't know how to call, but something to attach a tube to. Tube runs down somewhere there, and make sure that the water drains somewhere else, so I can park the car outside. Okay, so there we are, end of the video. I replaced the old fuel cap, which was good, but with the Nuke one, that's better. It's better mostly in a aesthetical way, so it just looks better. That's the main thing. Other advantage, hopefully, is that the filler opening is a little bit bigger, which I think / hope will result in a little bit less fuel spillage when I'm fueling up with the on-the-road fuel tank thing set up during races. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us the next time when we are going to build the intercooler cooler system, because it's a water-cooled intercooler. It needs its own radiators and pumps. It's going to be probably a 2-part video. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to don't miss out on the next video. Bye bye.